here's how to use our online catalog to request a title from another library. Start by going to thecountylibrary.org/catalog. From the search drop-down below the header, choose Advanced, or from our info contact page at thecountylibrary.org/information, click the Interlibrary Loan link in the Services and Collections section. This will open our Borrow from Another Library page. From that page, click on the Library Catalog Advanced Search link. Either way, after the catalog page loads, locate the Borrow from Another Library Interlibrary Loan link near the bottom of the page. When the pop-up appears, make sure to activate the Interlibrary Loan catalog by selecting the checkbox for Borrow from Another Library Interlibrary Loan. Click the Continue button. Choose a search field from the drop-down. This could be title, author, subject, or other search criteria, and enter your search terms. If needed, use multiple fields to narrow your search. You can also limit your search by specific formats such as books, large print books, DVDs, etc. with the Limit By drop-down. When satisfied with your search terms, click the Go button. Search results will appear below the query dialog. Peruse the results to find your title. Click the link for your title or the More Information button to double-check that it's the title you want. Once on the title's information page, click the Place a Hold button near the upper right part of the screen to request the title. Or if you're sure it's the title you're searching for, simply click on the title's Place a Hold button on the search results page. Do not request titles that are available within the County Library catalog. If the title you are searching for is available in our catalog, please use the Salt Lake County Library's catalog to place a hold. You will be prompted to enter your County Library barcode number and PIN. After entering the information, choose the library branch where you'd like to pick up your interlibrary loan and click the Submit Request button. We'll search other libraries for your item. Once it's located, we'll notify you when it's ready for pickup. This process typically takes 1 to 8 weeks, depending upon availability.